Hey folks, Adam here, and we're looking at this. It's the Dreame Matrix 10 Pro, and I gotta tell you, this thing is fantastic. What if I told you that it can swap its mops depending on the room? That means maybe your kitchen floor isn't getting the same dirty mop that your bathroom is using. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna give you all the details and check it out and kick it off right now.
The Dreame Matrix10 Pro automatically returns to the base station, changes the mop by itself, and keeps cleaning with a different setup for different areas of your home. And on top of that, it washes the mop pads using 100 degrees Celsius hot water. Honestly, this feels less like a robot vacuum and more like a fully automated cleaning system.
So folks, what really impresses me the most is the fact that this is able to do a great path so it efficiently cleans your floors. It also has a powerful battery that we absolutely love. And on top of all of that, this is made by a premier company. Recently, I traveled out to California. I met with the chief of design and I had an opportunity to interview them while they were launching their new Nebula supercar with that jet power. Well, you know what? They are leaders of innovation, AI technology. They're able to use the latest in LiDAR, which is using laser to map your entire house and get your floors extra clean. On top of that, obstacle avoidance on this is no joke. Again, the latest technology from a brand that we've come to love. One of the things I like most about Dreame is their overall attention to detail. Things look professional, they look squared away and clean. But on top of that, they have practically a zero defect rate. As I mentioned in our previous video about Dreame, is that things just seem to work when you get them from this company. And when you're getting a pro level mop and vacuum like this with the latest in AI and LiDAR technology, you are getting something that is truly revolutionary.
One of the biggest things that makes the Dreame Matrix10 Pro stand out is the industry-first automatic mop replacement system. And honestly, once you see it in action, it makes a lot of sense. Most robot vacuums use the same mop head throughout the entire cleaning process, but the Dreame Matrix10 Pro automatically switches between different mop types depending on the room and cleaning task. And that's a huge advantage if you care about keeping different areas of your home cleaner and more hygienic. For tougher messes like sticky kitchen stains, grease, or dirt near entryways, Dreame Matrix10 Pro can automatically use the powerful stain removal mop. This mop is designed for deeper cleaning and tougher floor conditions where you need more scrubbing power. Then, if you move into another room with hardwood flooring or lighter everyday cleaning, the robot can switch over to the reusable energy-saving mop. That helps reduce unnecessary wear while still keeping floors looking clean and polished. And if you have pets or areas where liquid spills happen more often, the highly absorbent sponge mop is designed to handle those situations better by soaking up messes more effectively. What I really like here is that the Dreame Matrix10 Pro is actually adapting to the cleaning environment instead of treating every room exactly the same. That makes the whole experience feel smarter and more premium.
And folks, one of the things that I like so much about this is that it ties right into their app. So you can see 100% mop drying, you can see the camera system, you can press go, start cleaning, start recharging. You can look at the intelligence, the mall, the forum, and your personal profile. They've got support right there. And yes, this is so easy to use. Here you can see where it's vacuumed and mopped the entire floor. You can see the systematic path in the multiple rooms, master bedroom, bathroom, other bathroom, etc. And yes, this just does a great job. And again, you can control it completely. You can go through the specified cleaning zones. You can add things like no-go zones. You can have it clean just one particular section. This is so intuitive. A lot of other apps are not intuitive and they're very frustrating. And folks, I want to point out that there is a camera mode built into the device. So yes, you can turn it on for your own privacy. You have to enable it on the device itself by pressing the device 3 times. And it will notify you that it's monitoring so nobody's caught by surprise. And yes, this is really cool if you want to check up on the cats, make sure the floors are clean, or just drive it around. look for dirt. You can do so much here. Oh, there I am. Hello, me. Yes, what a cool system this is. How powerful it is. We can record, take pictures, and everything in between.
Another feature that impressed me is the triple cleaning solution tank system. The base station includes different cleaning solutions for different needs, including a standard floor cleaner, a pet odor removal solution, and a floor care solution for more delicate surfaces. If you have pets or high traffic areas, having dedicated cleaning solutions built into the system makes the whole cleaning experience feel a lot more thoughtful and effective. Now, one feature that stood out visually is the 100 degrees Celsius high temperature mop washing. This thing uses extremely hot water to wash the mop pads more effectively, and that helps dissolve grease, grime, and dirt. And honestly, that matters because one of the biggest weaknesses with a lot of robot mops is that eventually they start pushing around dirty mop water or using dirty mop pads. The Matrix10 Pro does a much better job of keeping the mop pads cleaner throughout the whole cleaning process. And when you actually see the hot water cleaning in action, the whole system feels far more advanced than a typical robot vacuum setup. Let's talk about suction power, because this thing is seriously powerful. The Matrix10 Pro has up to 30,000 PA of suction power, which helps it pick up dust, crumbs, pet hair, debris from both hard floors and carpet very effectively. If you have pets, again, this is especially important because hair and fur tends to collect under furniture, along walls, and deep inside carpets. But with the Matrix10 Pro, you can actually see the difference after it finishes cleaning, spotless. And for busy households, having a system that can vacuum, mop, swap cleaning pads, and clean itself automatically makes everyday cleaning feel much more hands-free and stress-free. Cleaning performance aside, the smart features are genuinely useful too. Inside the app, you can customize cleaning room by room, you can adjust suction levels, set no-go zones, and watch the robot map your home in real time. It can also detect obstacles like cables, slippers, and pet bowls to help avoid getting stuck while cleaning. All of those smart features help the entire cleaning experience become much more automated and convenient in your day-to-day life. After spending some time with the Dreame Matrix10 Pro, I think what stands out the most is how little effort the whole cleaning process actually requires from you. A lot of robot vacuums still need regular maintenance and constant attention, but with this one, the system handles much more of the process automatically, from mop management to self-cleaning, which makes day-to-day cleaning, again, a lot more effortless. What I like most is that it doesn't just focus on one feature, though. The automatic mop switching, specialized cleaning solutions, 100-degree hot water mop washing, smart app controls, and that powerful 30,000 pascal of suction, they all work together to create a much smarter cleaning experience overall.
So folks, one of the things I love so much is this is such a modern, clean look. It just is an absolutely stellar finish, fingerprint resistant, dirt resistant, and yeah, that black screams quality. They've gone ahead, given a little molding here. They've gone ahead and given it a great look. And yes, this has the feel of a luxury product. And that's something we've been focusing more on here, is that we like to talk about really luxury products and bring the best of the best to our viewers. So folks, it doesn't matter if you're a house with pets, maybe the elderly or kids. This is a device that is perfect for busy households that get a lot of steps, a lot of stuff gets brought in, whether that's dirty paw prints, kids prints, or whatever it may be. This is going to keep your floors clean. If you have a newborn baby and they're crawling on the floor, those mops are going to get those floors spickety-span, and the fact that it's changing mops between rooms is really good for the kids as well. Now, I love the fact that it is a beautiful design, but the Dreame Matrix10 Pro is definitely worth checking out. So folks, we gotta tell you that this is an awesome device. It's hands-free for everyday cleaning, especially for homes with pets, with heavy daily messes, and we love the fact that it's from a company that we know and love. I want you to click the button in the link. Get the best deal possible thanks to our partners. You're going to get a great quality vacuum, one that's stylish, one that's sophisticated, and one that's oh so chic. Folks, go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you. But what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today, click the link in the description, and you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.